So, as you guys know, I absolutely love food. I especially love my Puerto Rican grandparents. I absolutely love their food because Puerto Rican food's awesome. But one thing I realized is that I'm really good at eating it. I realized that I don't know how to make a lot of the dishes that I absolutely love. Certain things I do, but in order to make it like my grandmother does, I need her words, I need her wisdom in the kitchen. And I always tend to lose papers and stuff like that. And if I'm not making it on the regular, I will forget. So a good resource is to have an actual cookbook. But my grandmother doesn't own a printing press, neither do I. But the Family Cookbook Project is a great resource for me to get all the recipes of things that I enjoy eating. In a solid book, I can also have stories of these recipes. I can also have photos of these all in one book, and I can even make copies for my siblings and my cousins. And we can have this as like, a piece of our family history and just our culture in a format that is going to last a long time. I can pass it along to our kids and all this other stuff. And so that being said, they also provide a lot of different images and stuff like that. So you can like go ham, make a really awesome designed cookbook of something that you can give to your family and friends. And it's not even that expensive. Even the membership is not that expensive as well. So it's a very great resource for preserving your family recipes, as well as even making like a cookbook for you and your friends to enjoy. So the possibilities are endless. You're only limited by your own creativity. So I will provide the link below. Go check them out. Get some family history documented, and let's eat.